So Brad Moore was my landlord. I rented a house from him on New Street for 4 years, and I knew he was a realtor, so when I was in the market to buy, I reached out to him, and that's when he connected me with Kellen, his buyer specialist. Kellen was awesome. When I purchased my home, it was a crazy seller's market, so it was very competitive, lots of offers, so it was very easy to get discouraged as we lost out on a couple homes, but Kellen definitely made me remain positive throughout the entire experience, and it all worked out because I think we got the best one. I would recommend Kellen for her efficiency, her quickness in responding, and how positive she is, and she'll get you into the right home.